Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Just going to show you a very quick video as the time now is 5:25 and obviously we close at 5, so obviously we're on a tight schedule and we all want to go home, so I'm just going to bring a little video on a Ford Mondeo. Not many systems for this particular car, these three buttons down here, but as I say, this is one we found. You may hear a little bit of a rattling noise in the background. It's only because the car is an ex-police car and it's got the dog. It was a dog handling unit, so it has got a big dog cage in the back, and it's obviously giving a little bit of rattling. So it's nothing to do with the system, so don't worry about that one. Okay, I'll just zoom in here. This is the home page. This is a DHV style 3 range. Comes with an 8-core processor standard. 232 gig standard. You can increase it up to 6 and 128 if you wish. This is the home page here, which is like a really nice feature that's been updated recently. So only unfortunate thing here is it does say KMH here. You can't really basically change that unless you download the Skin app, a Gamma or Car Launcher. You can do it that way if you want, but as I say, this is your home page. As you can see, radio, Bluetooth, music, file manager, gallery, video settings, video play. Add your own app, so you can customize it by adding whatever app on here onto the home page, so you can change that if you want. This is the Google Maps here. Let's see if I can zoom through. Sorry, that's a shortcut. So we want the maps on there. Basically what you do is go to, you see, nice and quick and responsive. Let me just find this 1 second. Is that one there? Is that the browser? Oh, should know my own system, shouldn't I, guys? But apologies on that one. Let's have a little look. Oh, is there? There you go. As I said, it is a new system anyway with a new interface on there, so there's the maps loading up here if you want. This is the back end settings here. It's got built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, DSP sound processor, so if you want to enhance your sound system, you can do all that if you wish. I am just still learning this particular range. Okay, it's got a vehicle settings app, so as you can see, it controls your temperature down here, or does it? I think we need to set that up. I'll get back to that one in a minute. The system's only just gone in, to be honest with you, so I've not really had to play around with it. There you go, there's your Google Maps, what I was showing you before. So this is an internet app here, which obviously you use data connection with your phone, or you can put a SIM card. It does come with a SIM card holder with it. Radio station, there you go, that's your FM AM radio. So it does, 1 second. Does work with the steering wheel controls, as you can see. There's the skip and all, so let's slow that one down. Let's have a little look. So you can turn that off if you want. Touch assist, steering wheel controls setup's already done. There's your Play Store app here. Just doing some updates for the customer. So that's where obviously you download all your applications. Okay, as I say, guys, a little bit of a short video. I'm caught on a limb today because, as I say, it is quite late, or shutting the gates and the doors behind us and stuff, so I need to get the job wrapped up and give to the customer. So hope you enjoy. Any questions, give us a shout. Have a nice day now, take care.